A tree species that has a bioactive compound against human tumors. What a majestic tree it is. Introducing Tambalao Nima glomerata of the family Myristicaceae. Tambalao is a small evergreen tree from the nutmeg family. It is the most common species of Nima in the country, and it can easily be distinguished from other related species by its lyrate or guitar-shaped young leaves. Its wood is suitable for light and temporary construction, building house posts, planks, flooring, beams, interior trim, boats, crates, splints, matchboxes, wall paneling, plywood, pulp, and paper. The bark of this tree produces a red sap that can be a dye source. Various medical research on this species has found bioactive compounds against human tumors. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.